This one looks a little hard. We got a more complicated graph, 3 different things. But let's take a look. I mean, if we look at the end here, even the choices seem a little short, so that's probably good. The shorter the choices, the better, usually for these figure questions. So let's take a look. Again, we're kind of focused on the end, but let's read the whole thing. Copper had been mined in the United States for thousands of years, but large-scale commercial mining of copper took off starting in the late 1800s. This was due to several factors. Technological advancements in the mining industry led to improvements in the production of copper. This helped the country keep up with the growing number of people wanting to buy copper starting in the 1890s. At the same time, the growth of the railroad system made the transportation of copper in large batches much easier. None of this matters right now. Several states saw rapid growth in the production of this resource. For example, well, looks like maybe, I don't know, Arizona's rapid growth, maybe Montana, but I don't, Michigan looks a little, let's see. The rise in copper production in Michigan slowed. Well, that doesn't sound like growth. The Montana and Arizona produced more copper than Michigan did. Okay, maybe, but like, is more the same as rapid growth? Like, I feel like I want to say that one of these states had a big change. I don't know that, shaming Michigan for its poor copper production is the right call here, but I don't know. Let's leave it in. C, fewer than 100 million pounds of copper produced in Arizona in 1889. That sounds bad, right? Fewer than. So again, that's not growth. That's only one data point. In order to have growth, you need to have 2 data points. D, copper production rose significantly, that seems good, from 1889 to 1909 for Arizona, Michigan, and Montana. Yeah, seems right. It's all down here, now it's all up here. Seems good. Even without the numbers, right? Rose significantly, a nice little code for rapid growth. So strong words matter. Make sure that you notice if they're giving you a trend to look for, that you find that trend in the choice, right? Because these other choices are correct, I guess, but they don't have to do with that particular trend. So the challenge of these questions sometimes with the figures is there are lots of things they can make you care about. Sometimes they really do care about the accuracy of the choices compared to the graph or the chart. That didn't really matter here. Here, they gave us a specific thing to look for and pull out of the chart. And so we need to pay more attention to the passage. So it varies, which is frustrating. But I do think overall, when they're easy, it doesn't matter what they're asking you to do, they're easy. When they're hard, it doesn't matter what they're asking you to do, they're hard. So you just got to juggle a lot of things, and these can be difficult questions for that reason.